the mighty African lion.
Discovering fascinating facts and figures about lions' greetings. Everyone, today we will delve into interesting facts and figures about lions. Are you ready? Let's begin.
The lion, the only member of the cat family, can work well in a group, and lion has acquired a talent that is genuinely exceptional among cats. The group hunt is the lion's secret weapon. A pride takes down its prey in one of 3 hunts, but a lone lioness only manages to kill one every 5 attempts. A lion employs cooperation to consistently take down a prey that is 6 times its size. The Cape buffalo, maximizing the benefits of its size and power. A buffalo is the ideal quarry. It possesses horns that are 3 feet broad from tip to tip and may weigh up to 1,500 pounds. It also has no problem using them. The lion is at significant risk of harm from the wild buffalo, which is known to be the animal that most frequently attacks and injures them. So hunting this beast requires a game plan. Pride of lions, using time-tested tactics to hunt buffalo, the pride of lions is known to use a classic strategy to hunt their prey.
During the hunt, the lions will position themselves with the precision of a professional football team. Typically, 2 or 3 lions will run interference while the center lions make a move to seize their target. Meanwhile, the flanking lions will move up the sides and attempt to close in on the prey. The ultimate goal is to separate a lone buffalo from its herd, making it easier to overpower. The buffalo's throttle, a lesson in teamwork. It takes several minutes for the buffalo to throttle, and even the herd knows when the end is near. But the big cat's success lies in its ability to work with others, allowing it to rule and hunt these plains for thousands of years.
Now let's see some of teamwork by lions and some hunting.
is wandering right into his path. He makes his move, charging the hippo, but he's cautious. Hippos make a crucial mistake, turning to run, and the lion makes his move. He takes the hippo down by biting his neck and pulling with his powerful claw.
Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. 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 Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.